Thanks for joining us today at Island Ford Superstore, located on Norcross Road in Duncan, BC, off the Trans-Canada Highway. We're in the Cowichan Valley on Vancouver Island. Today we're looking at a 2018 F-150 Lariat in ruby red metallic with black leather interior, seating for 5, 4 doors, and a 6.5-foot box. This also is a 4x4. It has a 3.5 liter V6 engine. It's an EcoBoost, and it also has a Lariat Sport package with bucket seats and console. It's really easy to get into this truck. Just talk to our sales team. They'd be happy to take you out on a test drive. Speaker in the door, as well as power locks, windows, and mirrors. You also have power folding mirrors, as well as 3 memory positions. The driver's seat is powered with lumbar. You have an electronic parking brake, power pedals, lighting controls, LED side view mirror spotlights, grab handles in the body, as well as power tilt and telescoping steering wheel. On the face of the steering wheel, you have your dash controls, cruise control, media control with volume, and sync voice activated system. This is a push start, so my foot's on the brake, keys in the pocket, and we're going to push the engine start stop button. On the dash, any important messages will appear, as well as a menu that we can toggle through. So my view, trip fuel, truck info, towing, off-road, and settings, and these all have sub-menus. In the center you've got a little cubby, as well you're seeing the B&O branding for the audio premium audio system, traction control, hazard lights, auto stop start for less idle time, and you have a touch screen here with your sources for AM, FM, satellite, Sirius radio, CD, and Bluetooth. You've also got navigation, and when you put the vehicle in reverse, you're going to see your backup camera view there, and there you go. You also have your settings that you can slide through for things like Wi-Fi hotspot, Apple CarPlay, and Android Auto. Down below, volume and tuner, there's your CD player, and then you have dual climate control for driver and passenger, as well as heated and cooled seats for driver and passenger, fans in the center there, AC, max AC, as well as front and rear defrost. Off to the side, 4x4 locking differential, and your Pro Trailer backup. There's a little cubby there, and down below you're seeing a couple of USB outlets, and you can press on this and it'll just close it right up. You have an automatic select shifter, and this is drive mode. When you press on it, you'll see it on the dash. So normal, tow haul, snow wet, eco, sport, and back around again. And there's your cup holders, and there's rings at the bottom. That's your ambient lighting. Your armrest opens up, and inside there's a little bin. You can take that out. Lots of room down below, and a 12 volt as well. Oops, I'm just going to pop that back in for you. And then off to the side is a 12 volt and a 110 outlet, a locking glove compartment. Up above, an auto dimming rear view mirror. There's your universal garage door opener, lighting controls, sunglass holder, and you have a power sliding window, so that button controls that. And we've got a moonroof in here, so we can push that for some nice fresh air. 20-inch wheels, mud flaps, black running boards, body colored door handle with intelligent access, meaning when your fob is in close proximity, you can lock and unlock your doors. You also have keyless entry keypad, driver's side capless, easy fuel gas filler. The body colored handle extends to the tailgate. The tailgate is lockable and removable, and the backup camera is just below the handle. You also have your backup sensors on your bumper, 4- and 7-pin connector, trailer hitch, and locking spare tire. When you're ready to open up that tailgate, you can double click your fob, it powers it down for you, and inside you have this nice liner, tie downs in all 4 corners, as well as box link, and you also have a tailgate step that makes it easier to get in. On your fob you have remote start, speaker in the door, as well as power windows. The nice thing about these doors, they open 170 degrees, giving you lots more room should you need to put bigger items in the back. The rear seats fold up in a 60-40 split, and there's seating for 3. So you easily put your hand on the bottom, push up, and then when you want to bring it down, simply pull the clip. At the base, you have anchors to be able to tether baby seats. And on the floor, there's an all-weather mat that goes from one side to the other, as well as extra carpeted mats. Slim pockets on the back of the front seat, and in the center, a couple of cup holders, as well as 12 volt, 110, and USB outlets, as well as air vents. Up above, there's hooks and lighting, and in the back, access to a power sliding window. Body-colored bumper, mud flap, 6.5-foot box, privacy glass in the back windows with window vents, heated and powered side view mirrors with blind spot information system, LED headlights, halogen fog lights, tow hooks, and so many more reasons to visit us at Island Ford Superstore, BC's #1 rated Ford dealer.